guys, welcome back. And I don't know if you saw the video like 2 hours or something. It was about this bowl. And this bowl really helps. So if you can see eyeballs, that right there, that's a bell. That's a bell. We don't want her in right now though. You can kind of see her. But this bowl really helps. I didn't make the whole video because it would be too long. Maybe I just was being stupid. But this, sorry if you can hear TV. This is a bowl. They don't know what they are. They're Sloopy bowls. I love them. They're super cool. I don't know. They're just amazing. I don't know. I don't know. We probably won't get one for Bella. I'm gonna go get Bella. Be right back. Okay, Bella's back in. I don't know how the flash keeps going on. But this bowl. Yeah. Well, what Guns is my dog today, as you can see. Oh, hey. Did you have a fun time? We're not hungry.
Dog in here with you?
Yeah. So, love you, Mom. It's about bedtime. So, yeah. See, I don't know if you can tell, there's like junky stuff in it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it. So if you can hear me behind me, my mom's cleaning and I don't want to move it. So anyway, she doesn't want to be shown. So I'm just going to start because I don't know if I showed you yet. It's like slimy film. So I'm going to start. I have my paper towels. I don't know if it'll help. And I'm going to you can use any soap probably. I'm using Dawn because it's just here and I guess it'd be easy. So, let's start. I'm going to start with this dog. This one. And see, you can tell there's food on it. Night. I'll tell you when I'm on night. Okay. Oh. I think that's good. This one doesn't need too much. Oh. Now, we're just gonna go relax. It's 10:16. Mom's going to bed. I don't know. We just like to stay up for a while because it's just nice to stay up. I don't know if I've ever shown you the basement. Hi, Mitty. I don't know if I got Mitty and Meet My Dogs and Cats video because she just always likes to hide. Well, here's my dad. And, hey, say hi.
Hi.
It's my channel. Hey, Dad. Oh, sorry.
Right.
I don't know how to turn it off. I don't know how to turn it off, but look, I don't know if I've shown you, we have goldfish. Look, the pellet things are just food. Look at the ACIs, they're super adorable. Look, I don't know if you can hardly see that, but I can't. But I'll try to zoom in. If you can't tell, there's like, I'll try. There's a little fish. It's a mess back there. Look. Look at that. Look at all these fish. There's a hongai. This tank hasn't been filled or anything yet. Out there's a couple fish. Let me turn the light on. Guinea pigs. Hey, Maple.
Gotta do feet now.
Well, we have one I think's carrying. You can probably see the flash because there's a black background. And look at the fish. I don't know. You can see, but they're very big. Look at that's what the ACI, where to go? the ACI will look like when it's bigger. Sorry, the light makes it look like they have like ginormous eyeballs. Oh, look at him. I love him. Like, they look like they have bright eyeballs, but they don't. Here, the other tank. We don't all have them down here, but we have one upstairs. Look how cute they are. Let me zoom out. Oh, that's all the far I'll go. I can't go any further because, so I'll do it like that. Yeah. So, wait, let me show him something. Let me show the food that you feed him. What are these called? I forgot. These things, what are they called?
They're algae disc.
They're algae disc. This is what's... oh, I forgot to show you. It's on here. Not used to these tanks. Oh my goodness, look how cute that one is. Look. If you don't know what the spots are, they're called OBs.
2 females carried in here.
Where?
Top of the thing, there's one. There's
Top
second
right there.
one. Yep, here she goes over there.
Over there. Yeah. I think they're scared of light or something. Oh, hi, Mitty. Or, yeah, are you Mitty? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, you
We're
are.
happy since they're a fun.
Yeah. Hey, there's betta fish. We have tons of them, but you can't really see them. This stuff is like flaky stuff, and then like, you know, so when we just use containers. Allergy stuff. Cichlid pellet, I think I said. The big guy house. I don't know if you heard in that clip right there, but I don't know, you guys, if you heard in that clip that Mitty's meowing, probably because she's hungry, because she's always hungry, right? Mitty, come here. Mitty, I need to show you something. I need to show everybody you, because they haven't met you yet, because I didn't you didn't show up. Okay, let me see if I can. I think she's purring. I can't tell. Hey, Mitty. Look, this is Mitty. She doesn't have ginormous glowing eyeballs, but I can't figure out how to put the flash off so you can see, like, look, you can tell. See, ready? There. You can tell. Cat
You sure
butt.
you take the flash off?
Not yet.
Okay.
Or else it would probably end the video. Look how cute you are. Mitty. Mitty. I did 2 episodes today.
I need to do that.
I did 2 episodes if you haven't watched them yet.
There's
Probably.
vacuum tanks.
Vacuum. Oh, wow. I don't know if you guys can tell, but let me see. I think you can probably tell a little bit, even though it's kind of fizzy or something that looks fuzzy. It's like there's like, that's all food, and is that all food at the bottom? Wow, guys, look at that. Oh my, it's food and poop. Mitty, you never do that. Are you insane? Hey, are you happy to be on camera now? I can't tell. I tried to listen to her. I think she's purring, but I can't. Yep, I can feel it in her neck. I would show you kind of, but there's betas, but you can't really see them because, yeah. I don't know. I think I'm trying. I can't see the camera, so I don't know if you can see that. I know you can see these ones here. Wait, look. There. Wait, yeah. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Look how big.
Look how big he's.
Whoa, he looks almost like.
He's a big one.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I would show you the mini one, but we really can't find him. He's hardly grown. But this.
He's got something broken back or something like that. Up here.
Okay.
Or a fin or something.
Well, here we go. I'm going to show you up here. Hey. Hi. Well, here we have, where is it? Here he is. I don't know if you can tell, he's different than the others. He has like a broken back. Look, hey, swim. Swim right here. You can kind of tell he's already weird. Well, look at this guy. He's very pretty. Look at them. They're all so cute.
Another one's swimming like that.
What? There's another one that's swimming like that Dad just found.
Another white one.
Whoa, look how cool it looks though. Okay, we were just looking at that fish. And I don't know if you can tell. Look at Mitty. What are you up? What are you doing? She's like, I'm queen. I don't even know if I caught that on camera. I don't even know. Dad, did you see that? Yeah. She jumped from the table to the table to the TV stand. Yeah. How? Are you a ninja? You're a ninja. And try to jump from this to me. Okay. No? Yeah? No? Well, I love you guys, and I'm going to make a video in just a little bit because this is getting a little long, this video. I don't know what I'm going to call it. Just like animals or something. Yeah.